And we're back at the trailhead. All right. Nice. Miners Junction. Isn't that fancy? All right. Let's head to the quarry. Now guys, here's the actual start to the Crusher Trail, where we were supposed to go on the Crusher Trail to begin with, but we kind of took a detour. Yeah. Anyway, see, there you go. On to the quarry. Yeah, don't worry, we stayed on the path. Sure we did. Or did we? You know, I could be wrong, but I think we need to go to the left. I don't know. All right. Made it to the end of that. Now, as you can see, that is the quarry trail we just came down. Up there is the overlook. And that is where we're going. Just on the other side of that hill is an old quarry. And here's the map again. Yeah, see, we're there. And here it is, guys, what this entire hike was about. The quarry overlook. Wow, isn't that a sight to see?
That's not it.
Yeah, I think we took a wrong turn. Let's try that again. All right, now I've got to find where Rattlesnake Jay went. Knowing him, he done found him a hole somewhere. Let's see. Oh, what the hell, man? Found you a hole, huh?
Yeah.
Here. Let's go and check that out.
Let's go check out the hole. Let's check out this hole. Ruffner was actually formed some 500 million years ago. It was formed through the Ordovician and Silurian period. If you look just hard enough, sometimes you can find fossils of each era, or period, I should say. Back out we go.
Have some fun?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Well, that was kind of cool, huh?
Yeah. Nice little hole.
All right. Now on with the rest of the adventure. Wow, wow, wow. Now that's what I call an overlook. Check that out. I mean, look, right over there in the distance. I'll zoom in on it. There's downtown Birmingham. Then it's all its glory. And the other side of the Birmingham airport.
Still no planes.
Yeah, still haven't seen a single plane. All right, we're back at the overlook here. Now I want to tell you, one time we were out here in some of our lost footage. We were walking right across this ridge line, and all of a sudden we heard this nice little rattle. Yeah, nice little rattlesnake just hanging out here at Ruffner. We never did get to see him, but he definitely let us know that we were too close.
I remember right, he was in that tall grass.
Yeah, he was right up here.
Yeah, he was in Mississippi. And you know, a timber rattlesnake's pattern, it'd be almost impossible to find him.
He was right in here.
Unless you got your snake boots on, some hooks, and all the gear.
But look at this. How could you not want to come out here and check all this out. I mean, this is just amazing. Look at that right there in front of you.
This is one right here.
Yeah. This is,
oh, look at that.
Yeah.
You see the seashell in person.
wow. What period do you say these things are out of?
I believe this is Cambrian. Like I said, in the cave, this mountain was formed 500 million years ago through the Cambrian, Ordovician, and Silurian periods. It's when the limestones and iron ores were first created. I believe that's a shell there as well. And this is, yeah, that's one. I see the ridges in it.
Now guys, this place here, it's full of different fossils and things that you can find. Now, I will tell you, they ask you not to take any of them. Please leave everything here. Don't break anything, don't take anything, and just be respectful of the property. This is a nature preserve. It's their home. All right, now that we're here, I want to show you this sign. This is exactly what I was telling you in there when we were looking at the rocks. No fires, no camping, no rock climbing, foot traffic only, no picking, no collecting, and yes, that does include rocks. Please leave them here. All right. Now, we are not going to hit up Possum Loop. We are going to go back up here toward the Nature Center. Although, Possum Loop, during the right time of year, there's a lot of poison ivy down there. It's really good for use for toilet paper.
Never use it for toilet paper.
All right, well, we have officially made the loop back down from the overlook, which we started up there, and now we're back here. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed our little adventure today. I know I had a blast being back out with Rattlesnake Jay again. And we'll definitely be bringing you a lot more footage coming real soon. So look forward to it, and we'll see you next time.